Mean face. Mean face. Oh, sour face?
That was my mean face. Oh my god, they didn't even freaking chop it. Like, I have to do all the work myself. I should be getting paid to chop my salad. I just want a little bit more. Where's my croutons, Trevor? Where's my croutons?
Oh my god!
I'm so lonely. I got no money. They call my ear. I'm so lonely. I got my salad that wasn't chopped and had no croutons or bread. What else could be said besides?
She's a blonde and has no brain cells in her head.
Fucking whore.
Did you say fucking whore?
Freaking